So welcome back. We have created our ad account and you can see here the page that we have associated with this account is also visible here. Now we will see how to create a campaign group under this ad account. As I already told you, you can create multiple campaign groups under one ad account. So just click on this ad account. Now notice one thing here. We already have one default campaign group, although we haven't created it. So it is all the time any new ad account you will create, you will find there is one default campaign group. So what we want to create a new campaign group, so let us create that one. So I'm clicking on this one, but before that let me clear you what is the context under which we are going to create our campaigns. So here we want to popularize or we want to advertise our SWAM courses. So now let us say there are variety of SWAM courses on the SWAM website and we can create multiple campaign groups for different types of courses. For example, few for management courses, few for you can say humanity courses and other group for you can say sciences. So but here let us create one campaign group for management courses. Click on this create campaign group. And now you have to give the name of that group first. So I'm giving just name of management courses. And what is the status? So it is by default it is active. So let it be active one. Now here these are the three important dates here and you can select according to your choice. The first is there any campaign that you will create under this campaign group. It will automatically start from the date that you will mention here, but there will not be any ending date. For example, I want to start all the campaigns under this group from next Tuesday. So let me select that date. This is the one option, but make note there is no ending date for this one. But if I am interested to give the ending date and the start date, then I can select this second option. Here you have the option to give the start date and end date. So it simply means all the campaigns under this very group will start on a particular date and will end on a particular date. Third option we also have, we can also specify a particular budget for this group. Means that budget will be applicable to all the campaigns and that will be the aggregate budget for all campaigns. You can set that and you can set the starting date and ending date for this one. Just for the simplicity, let me keep the first option. We want to run this campaign from a particular date and click on this save button. And this is all. We have created our campaign group. And now further we will see how to create our campaigns under this very group. As I already told you, we can create multiple campaigns now under this particular campaign group. So for this purpose, just click on this campaign group. And here you will be able to create a new campaign. So where is the option? Let me find. See here at the top, we have this option to create a new campaign. Click on this new campaign. So first of all, we have to give the title for this one. For example, here I want to promote my digital marketing course. So I will give the name for this campaign. Now the rest of the things, it will automatically guide us. So the very first thing is there, we have to just select our objectives. But before that, before you select the objectives, look at here what it is talking about. It is clear that any campaign that we are going to create, it will now fall under this SWAM management courses campaign group. And if you want to use any new group or any different group, you can select it from here. But we have only one campaign group, so let us start with this one and click on this next button. And you can also see it is also giving me the few details of starting of that campaign. Just click on this next button And now we are here at the objective selection. I think this is common to most of the social media platforms or advertising platforms. That first of all, we have to set our objectives. So in LinkedIn, you can set 3 types of objectives. First is about awareness, then further consideration. It has further few combinations and every detail is provided for this one. And lastly, we have the conversions like lead conversion, website conversions, and the job applicants. But for the simplicity, let us click on brand awareness, and you can see the detail what I want to do under this objective. So I want more people to learn about my business. So let us select this one. So our objective is selected. We are clear that we want to create an awareness about our brand. At any time you want to change, just click on this one. But before I end this video, you see here it is also showing me few of the forecasted results. Keeping the data in default mode, it is showing me that what will be the target audience size by all the settings and few more metrics. We can go through these metrics and can anticipate that how my campaign will perform under the given data set. So in the next video we will start from here only. We will see how to set the audience or how to target the audience under this very campaign. So thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video.